In the tropics, of course, the big thing we're watching this morning on Tuesday is Hurricane Maria. Notice that it does have 160-mile-per-hour winds. It is moving west-northwest as a very strong hurricane at 9 miles per hour. And notice the center of the storm has just entered the Caribbean Sea. It will continue, possibly weakening a bit by late tonight and tomorrow to a Category 4 storm, but it could easily continue at a Cat 5 or maybe even a Cat 3, up or down a little bit with some fluctuations expected for intensity in the next couple of days. Looks like it will get very close to Puerto Rico, if not the eye passing right over the island of Puerto Rico on Wednesday. Could have 145-mile-per-hour winds by that point, and then it starts moving to the north near the southern Bahamas, and by that point maybe a Cat 3. So notice that the forecast path is actually now to the east of the Bahamas, and it does look like our computer models are in good consensus for the most part, taking it on this path outside of the Bahamas and maybe even well to the east of the East Coast. They will be watching it closely this week, but right now that's how it's looking. We have a big kind of ridge of high pressure here that's going to direct it to the northwest, and then as it kind of breaks down, the hurricane will be able to move to the north, it looks like. So that will be our pattern with Maria. Also for Hurricane Jose, we're also watching that. It is still out there, still possibly bringing some tropical storm force winds later this week, including tomorrow and Thursday to portions of the northeast U.S. So notice these orange shaded areas all around New England and much of the northeast coast of the U.S. are under tropical storm warnings as we move into the next couple of days. Again, as I've been saying, not because Jose is moving inland, but because they will be there on the kind of outskirts of the storm and could get some tropical storm force conditions. As we check out our pinpoint 7-day forecast, here we go with our temperatures here in New Orleans, of course, unaffected by any of those tropical systems. Instead, what we will get is moisture, kind of continuing with that kind of hot, humid forecast. Highs near 91, feeling like upper 90s to about 100 in the afternoons, and a little more moisture heads our way Saturday and Sunday, so our rain chances go up just a touch for that point.
I'm taking a look at